how to change the shape of the volumetric clouds in Unreal Engine 5. And first, we make sure the engine content is clicked. And now I type the volumetric and select volumetric cloud. And now I drag it up and find the layer bottom altitudes. And I change this value, and you can see the volumetric cloud is different. And also you can change another value, the layer height, and also change this distance. You can see something different. Yeah, so I reset it to the default value, and next I find this material. I enter the material instance, and I change this window and make sure the window is smaller so you can see the volumetric cloud clear. Now I select the layout cloud type, and you can change all of the value so you can see something different. Yeah, I reset it again. And next I select the global scale. Also you can see something different. Yeah, you can change this value, all of them. Yeah, you can choose what effect you want. So the next, you can change the global texture placement. You can change the XYZ, the value. Also you can make the rotations. Yeah, I reset it. And next we talked about the wind control, and we can change the velocity scale, and you can see the wind is faster than before. Also you can change XYZ, the value. And next we talked about the clouds, the text marks. So you also can change all of the value. Yeah. And next we talked about the global coverage. You can see something different. Yes. And next we talked about storm. Also you can change the storm clouds and storm lighting text scale. And yeah, you can also change another details. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.